Hello, it's AGAN aircraft industry here, and this video focuses on the troubleshooting and subsequent roof frame repair of an aircraft, in this case a Cessna 182. While parked in the hangar, a heavy object fell on the roof of this aircraft, causing deformation and damage to the number 1 wing rib and roof frame. In order to estimate the full scope of this work, it is necessary to carry out a full damage assessment. In order to provide access to the rib, we partially disassembled the necessary elements of the cabin. They fully understand that it is important for any client that after the finished structural work, the cabin is reassembled to the highest quality and preserved in its original form. As always, we approach this with a very high level of responsibility and professionalism. After making sure that the cabin is fully protected, we study and analyze the damage. A slight deformation of the rib was revealed, resulting in a beginning of the roof frame. All rivets, ribs and plating were removed and subsequently strengthened. Brand new rivets were installed. When repainting, we carefully follow all steps of paint application techniques and use the latest technology. Lastly, we gather together all the elements of the cabin and remove the temporary protective equipment. Initially, the customer agreed to have us replace the entire roof lining. However, since the aircraft is new and in a good condition, combined with the fact that the roof frame damage was minor, we were able to carry out repairs without replacing the entire roof lining. Due to this, we effectively preserved the factory new condition of the aircraft, which allowed us to save the owner a significant amount of money. The aircraft has been repaired and is completely ready to fly. The interior and exterior are stunning and in perfect condition. We hope that you appreciate the result of our hard work and approach to business. Thank you for your interest.